Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Android Data Recovery. In this video, I am going to resolve WhatsApp Plus option is not showing on Android. Thus, if you are facing the same problem, then this video will surely help you in fixing it. But before heading towards the solutions, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Sometimes an outdated version of WhatsApp app can cause this problem. You should check for the latest updates when you run into trouble. For this, open the Google Play Store. On the search option, search WhatsApp. Now click on the WhatsApp app and check for any updates available. If found, tap the Update button to update it. Once updated, open the WhatsApp app to check for the issue. The surest way to fix that is clearing the WhatsApp cache data on your phone. For this, you have to navigate to Settings, then Apps and Notifications or App Management. Here you will see all apps and find the WhatsApp. On the Apps page, choose Storage and then Clear Storage or Clear Data. Finally, restart your phone. The premium subscription requires a phone number from a supported country. Rollouts occur in phases, so it may not be available in your area yet. In such a case, you can use the best VPN to remove the geo-restrictions. Simply install any VPN app from Google Play Store, like TurboVPN. Once downloaded and installed, open the TurboVPN app on your Android. You'll see a big toggle button that says Connected underneath. Tap it once to enable it. If you are looking for a quick way to resolve WhatsApp keeps crashing, stopping, or freezing issue, then use the Android Repair tool. It can fix many app-related errors and issues on Android, such as the Snapchat keeps crashing, black or blue screen of death error, and more. So, if you want to try this software, then click on the link given in the description box below. So, this is all about fixing WhatsApp Plus option is not showing on Android. If you found this video useful, then give it a like, share it, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos.
Thanks for watching.